This is how to make elbow pipe in SketchUp with follow me tool. First of all, we can choose the line in here and click from this node or point. We can set up about any size in here. For example, okay, we can make the rectangle in here with using the line in here. Then now we can make the 2-point arc in here. We can click from the middle in here. Okay, now we can clear these surfaces, right click and erase. Okay, and then now we can make the circle in here. Okay, we can just make the circle in any size to make the pipe. Okay, we can just triple click this one. Okay, and we can select the rotate. Okay, now we can click and hold until the red axis in here. Okay, we can click, or sorry, we can triple click and click rotate and hold until the green axis in here. Okay, and then now we can rotate 90° in here. Okay, just like this, and then we can click the outline in here. This outline only, not for the surface, but outline only. Right click and just select find center in here. Now we can click the surface again and select the move and click this center and just place the center in here in the origin. Okay, now we can make sure the line is connected with the surfaces in here. And now we can select the line in here, select all this line and also the curve, and just select the follow me and click the surfaces in here, and it will be automatically just like this. Then we can triple click, right click and make group. Then now we can move and just move on the surfaces as we want in here. Okay, just like this.